What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and today we're going to be looking at the 24 on up XP1000 sport mufflers. Obviously, Polaris did a huge revision on the XP1000s in 2024. We're selling the mufflers for the old models. Of course, we had to build one for the new models. So this is it. This is the sport muffler. It's got an internal baffle in here to keep it nice and quiet. Obviously, we're using their proprietary flanges, OEM style exiting tip. We're using all the OEM mounts, all the OEM spring hook. This thing just bolts up and goes. It can bolt up to your stock head pipe, or if you want to upgrade to an RPM E-Valve head pipe, this will bolt up to it also. That's what we got it bolted up to today. As far as like the sound, well, our head pipe versus stock one, you're not going to hear any difference until we open the valve. The muffler, you're going to hear it. We have these stock sound clips we're going to let you guys listen to. And then, of course, the RPM Sport Muffler, that deep throaty sound. One more thing before we're out of here, the gaskets. So if you're doing an RPM mid pipe or head pipe, you're going to want one of these. If you're doing a muffler or a mid pipe, you're going to want one of these. The OEM gaskets, these ones are kind of buried. They're really hard to get out. By the time you get it off the stock muffler, it's going to be damaged. If you want to go for it and try it, go for it. If not, we sell these at a really reasonable price. We strongly recommend that you guys replace your gaskets at the same time. We got spring hook tools for removing the springs off the factory muffler and reinstalling them on our muffler. But yeah, don't forget your gaskets. Let's jump to the sound clips.